Okay, good morning, everyone. This
Good morning.
the government employment system of the
Morning.
regular meeting of the Board of Trustees for Thursday, June 25th, 2026 is hereby called to order. Can I have a roll call, please?
Yes, good morning, all. Trustee Tamman Clark,
Present.
Trustee Clark present, Trustee Andre Dorsey,
Present.
Trustee Dorsey present, Trustee Vincent Liger,
Present.
Trustee Liger present, ex officio member Richardson. I see that she is on, but you may
Present.
ex officio member Richardson present, Trustee Leona Smith. Trustee Leona Smith.
Present.
Trustee Smith present, Trustee Dwayne Callwood.
Present.
Trustee Callwood present. Mr. Chairman, you have five present.
Thank you, Mr. CEO. Can I have a motion, please, to reorder the agenda to move the administrator's report and the committee reports from where they currently are on the agenda and to have them placed after we come out of executive session?
So move. Second.
Moved by Trustee Clark, seconded by Trustee Dorsey. Can I have a roll call, please?
Yes, Trustee Clark.
Yes.
Trustee Clark, yes. Trustee Dorsey.
Yes.
Trustee Dorsey, yes. Trustee Liger.
Yes.
Trustee Liger, yes. Trustee Smith.
Yes.
Trustee Smith, yes. Trustee Callwood.
Yes.
Trustee Callwood, yes. Mr. Chairman, 5-0.
Thank you. Are there any comments and suggestions from retirees? Hearing none, are there any comments and suggestions from active members? Are there any corrections or edits to be made to the secretary's minutes from the regular board meeting of May 28, 2026? Can I have a motion to accept the secretary's minutes from the regular board meeting for May 28, 2026?
So move. Second.
All right, moved by Trustee Dorsey, seconded by Trustee Clark. Can I have a roll call, please?
Yes, Trustee Clark.
Yes.
Trustee Clark, yes. Trustee Dorsey.
Yes.
Trustee Dorsey, yes. Trustee Liger.
Yes.
Trustee Liger, yes. Trustee Smith.
Yes.
Trustee Smith, yes. Trustee Callwood.
Yes.
Trustee Callwood, yes. Mr. Chairman, 5-0.
Thank you. Are there any communications and correspondences to be read into the record?
No, sir.
Thank you. Next item up, the chairman's report. There is none. So we're going to move to the treasurer's report.
Good morning, Chairman Callwood, of the Board of Trustees, Administrator Dawson. Good morning to all. The Government Employees Retirement System schedule of receipts and disbursement for the month ending May 31st, 2026. Receipts from collections, we have loan repayment, $713,800. Year to date, $4,876,935. Rent from tenants, $45,221. Year to date, $748,537. Employer retirement contribution, $11,266,255. Year to date, $65,160,930. Employee retirement contribution, $5,953,518. Year to date, $35,129,029. Miscellaneous income for the month of May, $40,583. Year to date, $2,390,264. The total collections for the month of May was $18,021,557, giving us a year-to-date figure of $168,099,222. The disbursement as follows: the annuity payments, $23,383,430. Year-to-date, $187,817,995. Administrative expenses, $1,757,030. Year-to-date, $13,944,875. Personal loans, which is the new loans and refunds, thus far $217,770, giving us a year-to-date figure of $269,708. Refund of contributions, $526,040. Year-to-date, $6,580,578, giving us a total disbursement of $25,891,405. Year-to-date figure, $208,687,594, giving us a net cash deficit for the month of May in the amount of $7,869,848. Total deficit $40,588,371. The GRS administrative expenses was 51% of budget, and the fiscal year-to-date withdrawal from the investment portfolio was $130 million. The Havenside Mall schedules of receipts and disbursement for the month of May 31st, 2026. We have receipts from collections, giving us a total collection of $634,435. Year-to-date figure, $4,980,324. The total disbursement, which is broken out into personal services, gives us $147,739, giving us a year-to-date of $1,354,543. We have capital projects, $181,314, giving us a year-to-date figure of $1,206,310. Total disbursement for the Havenside Mall is $498,539, giving us a net cash surplus of $135,896. Year-to-date figure, $1,877,877. For the month of May 2026, Havenside Mall disbursement was 79% of the total collection, and the fiscal year 2026 Havenside Mall were 48% of budget. This ends the Treasury report. I'm open to any questions you have.
Thank you. Ms. Ashi, are there any questions regarding the Treasurer's report? Hearing none, can I have a motion to accept the Treasurer's report?
So move.
Second.
Moved by Trustee Dorsey, seconded by Trustee Clark. Can I have a roll call, please?
Yes, Trustee Clark?
Yes.
Trustee Clark, yes. Trustee Dorsey?
Yes.
Trustee Dorsey, yes. Trustee Liger?
Yes.
Trustee Liger, yes. Trustee Smith?
Yes.
Trustee Smith, yes. Trustee Colwood?
Yes.
Trustee Colwood, yes. Mr. Chairman, 5-0.
Thank you. Next up, we have the Investment Officer's report.
Good morning, Mr. Chair, other trustees, and listening and viewing audience. This is an update of the investment portfolio as of May 31st, 2026. The markets advanced in May, pretty much supported by strong corporate earnings and hopes for easing tensions in the Middle East. We saw emerging market equities outperform developed markets. We saw bond markets perform well with corporate bonds leading government bonds in performance. Total plan return 2.4% month to date. Fiscal year to date, the plan is up about 8.7%. Total domestic equities was up 5% month to date and is up about 14.3% fiscal year to date. Our Russell 1000 index portfolio advanced 5.1% month to date and 13.6% fiscal year to date. And our Russell 2000 index advanced 4.2% month to date and is up 20.8% fiscal year to date. This month saw U.S. equities rose further and continued the rally that we saw in April. As the S&P 500 did hit record highs. Gains were led mainly by the technology and AI-related companies. Also, economic data for the month showed a resilient labor market, former inflation, and mixed activity trends. Total international equity was up about 4.3% month to date, 18.4% fiscal year to date. Our developed market portfolio was up about 3.1% month to date, and it's up about 15% fiscal year to date. While our emerging market portfolio was up 8.4% month to date, and is up about 31.9% fiscal year to date. So strong performance on the emerging markets fiscal year to date. In terms of market activity for the month, we saw European and Japanese shares rose in the month. They were aided by AI-related technology stocks and lower oil prices. We did see UK shares lag a little bit due to their weaker tech exposure, while the tech-heavy Asia-Pacific region did lead in gains. On the emerging market side, we saw the advance, which was led by continued strength in tech-heavy Asian markets, while returns across Latin America were mixed. Total fixed income, we saw a return of 0.3% month to date and about 1.9% fiscal year to date, as government bonds gained modestly in May, despite volatile geopolitical backdrop, and that contributed to large swings in yields. The spread sectors rose as resilient risk sentiment persisted, despite volatility in rates and geopolitics. Returns were more muted relative to April's risk-on backdrop, and performance across credit segments were more mixed. Our investment grade portfolio was up 0.3% month to date and is up 1.5% fiscal year to date. Our US TIPS portfolio returned 0.2% month to date and is up 1.7% fiscal year to date. And our high yield bonds returned 0.5% month to date and is up about 3% fiscal year to date. So we ended the month at approximately $466 million in market value of the portfolio. We began with a market value of about $484.3 million. We had net cash flow of about $30 million, income of about $19,000. We had an unrealized appreciation in the portfolio of about $11.7 million. That brings us back to the ending market value of $46 million at the end of May. We did have to source cash from several managers for that flow that we saw in May. So we did raise $30 million in the month of April. We sourced $20 million from our Russell 1000 index. We sourced $6 million from our Developed Market Index Fund, which is the MSCI EFI. We did source $3 million from our Russell 2000 Index Fund and $1 million from our US TIPS Index Fund. And of course, we used those cash flow activity to rebalance the portfolio back to our policy targets. As it pertains to fees, we paid about $44,000 calendar year to date. $28,000 of that was investment management related. $16,000 of that was custodian bank related. Fiscal year to date, we've paid about $323,000. $86,000 of that was investment management related. $189,000 investment consultant related, and $48,000 custodian bank related. So allocation wise, We ended the month at about 150 million in domestic equity. Allocated to domestic equity, about 64.9 million allocated to developed market equity. Emerging markets, we had an allocation about 21 million. Investment grade bonds, about 84 million. US tips, about 43 million. High yield bonds, 42. Real estate, and this excludes our local complexes, about 54.7 million. Private equity, which is our legacy fund of funds, about 4.7 million. And we had about 30,000 in cash at the end of the month. Mr. Chairman, trustees, that concludes my report. I'll be happy to answer any questions.
Thank you, Mr. Henderson. Are there questions regarding the investment officer's report? All right, thank you, Mr. Henderson. Hearing none, can I have a motion to go into executive session? This portion of the meeting will be closed to the public for matters pertaining to trade secrets or financial or commercial information or personal or legal matters or matters whose premature disclosure will frustrate the implementation of the proposed agency action.
So move.
Second.
Yeah, I was wondering. Mr. Chairman, before we move on, you did not have a motion to accept the investment officer's report.
Sorry, my bad.
I had it all queued up to go.
My bad. Can I have a motion to accept the investment officer's report?
So move.
Second.
All right, moved by trustee Dorsey, seconded by trustee Clark. Can I have a roll call, please?
Yes, trustee Clark.
Yes.
Trustee Clark, yes. Trustee Dorsey.
Yes.
Trustee Dorsey, yes. Trustee Liger.
Yes.
Trustee Liger, yes. Trustee Smith. Trustee Smith, yes. Trustee Callwood.
Yes.
Trustee Callwood, yes. Mr. Chairman, 5 yea.
All right, thank you. Now, can I have a motion for executive session?
So move.
Second.
Moved by trustee Dorsey, seconded by trustee Clark. Can I have a roll call, please, when you're ready?
Trustee Clark.
Yes.
Trustee Clark, yes. Trustee Dorsey.
Yes.
Trustee Dorsey, yes. Trustee Liger.
Yes.
Trustee Liger, yes. Trustee Smith.
Yes.
Trustee Smith, yes. Trustee Callwood.
Yes.
Trustee Callwood, yes. Mr. Chairman, 5 yea.
All right, thank you. So we'll recess for 2 minutes and then we'll resume.